Hi friends, good afternoon. Yesterday we have discussed linkage isomerism. Today we are going to discuss coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism, ionization isomerism, and hydration isomerism. These are the three topics of today's lecture. So first, what is the coordination isomerism and how it forms? So topic is coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. What will you understand in this isomerism? In complex compound, ligand will be changed. Ligand will be changed and charge will become opposite. This is the main funda for the coordination isomerism. Ligand will be changed and charge will become opposite. That is to be said coordination isomerism. For example, we are having CO Na36, here is 3 plus. We are having Cr CN6 3 minus. This is one complex compound. Here are shown two, but it is combined one complex compound. In coordination isomerism, this is the ligand, this is the ligand. Ligand will be changed, right? So Na3 will transfer to Cn place and Cn will transfer in place of Na3. So charge will become opposite. Now what will the answer? Then CO Cn6 3 minus Cr Na36 3 plus. Nomenclature will be changed. Let's see what will be the nomenclature of this complex compound. Hexaamine cobalt 3 ion. Hexaamine cobalt 3 ion. If complex is positive, then it is not cobaltate. If complex is negative, then it is to be said at suffix. Nomenclature of this one is what? Hexacyanochromate 3 ion. Here will be chromate because the complex is negative. Same way nomenclature will what? Then here will be cobaltate because the complex is become negative. So hexacyano cobaltate 3 ion. Here will be chromium because complex is plus. So hexaamine chromium 3 ion. If you just try to understand that here in coordination isomerism, ligand is transferred from one to another. This is not different two complex compound. This is one complex compound. Total neutral complex compound. Positive negative charge will be same, but it will be opposite because ligand minus is transferred to neutral ligand and neutral ligand is transferring to minus ligand. Again, second example we are taking. Suppose we are having PT Cl4, it is 2 minus, and we are having Cu Na34, this is 2 plus. Name of this one is what? It is negative complex. So at suffix with attached to platinum, tetrachloride, platinate 2 ion, tetraamine, copper NO2 ion. Isomers of this one will what? Then ligand E will be transferred from one place to another place. This is the ligand and this is the ligand. Ligand will transfer. Then we are having the isomer of this one is PT NH3 4. Here will be 2 plus and Cu Cl4. Here will be 2 minus. This is the isomers of each other. So this is the coordination isomerism. Try to understand. You have to take that example which are having two different same positive negative charge. Ligand will be transferred from one part of complex compound to another part. So it is very clear, very easy, very simple, properly understood. I know that. So coordination isomerism is completed. Now we are going to discuss about ionization isomerism. What will happen? Any complex compound is added in solution, then ion will transfer to ligand and ligand will transfer to ion. That is to be said ionization isomerism. Ion will transfer to ligand and ligand will transfer to ion. That is to be said ionization isomerism, but it must be added, complex compound must be added in solution. This reaction is done in solution or in water. Try to understand what I am going to say. Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Ion transfer to ligand, ligand will transfer to ion. That is to be said ionization isomerism, but it is done in solution. As for example, cobalt NH3 NO2 or NO3. Here is Cl. Here is the Cl is ion and ammonia is ligand. Sorry, nitro is ligand. Ammonia will remain as it is. So answer will what? Cobalt, ammonia 5, Cl, and here will be NO3. So what will happen? What is the answer of this one? So total ion outside the bracket, this is ligand, this is the ligand. Total number of ligands are 6. Nitrate is transferred to chloride and chloride is transferred to nitrate, and we are having isomers. Nomenclature will, this one will what? Then pentamine nitrato, cobalt 3 chloride, pentamine chlorido, cobalt 3 nitrate. Here will be nitrato, it is as a ligand. Here is chloride. Here will be chlorido because it is ligand, and here it is nitrate. So ligand